Hey Rose, look how pretty. Where are we? We are guests.
I like the lamps.
Rose, are you loving it? Was the breakfast good?
Yes.
Where are we going now?
7 doors. There's a 5-minute wait. Please, let's go.
7 Dwarfs Mine Train, are y'all ready? Was that so fun?
Yes.
Y'all love it? Rose, come back, Rose. One of the best things you do when traveling with a million kids is take frequent breaks, because if not, we will all die. You got your little table, how you like it?
Y'all think we should have gotten 2 strollers?
Yeah.
No, we can make this work. We got this. We're seriously carrying everyone and everything. I think it works. It works. My microphone broke. This microphone right here. It's supposed to be a little piece right there that attaches onto the top of the camera. So our audio for the rest of the day might not be very good. Look at the birds. Look at those pretty birds. Lucy's not a fan.
Rusty and Dusty.
What?
Dusty and Rusty.
Oh, we've named the birds Dusty and Rusty.
No, those people made it.
We're waiting on these awesome people back here to move so we can get out of the sun, because I don't know if you can tell right now, but I'm getting destroyed and it really hurts. It's really hot here in February. I'm not complaining though. We're having a great time. This girl wanted ice cream.
It makes a good day.
Ice cream makes a good day.
Yeah.
Day 2, Animal Kingdom.
Day 3.
Sort of day 3. We're going to a breakfast again. Tusker House. Where do we go? Left or right? Let's go right. We'll get to jump ahead of all these fine people back here because we've got breakfast reservations. We're in front of all those people. We're in an empty animal kingdom. It is totally empty. There is nothing going on except us walking around in the animal kingdom. Tarzan. We'll never see it like this again. Disney's Animal Kingdom, Discovery Island. There's stuff to be a bird. Stuff to be a bird up in here. What?
Looks like bamboo.
It is bamboo.
Then why is it not green?
What?
Why is it not green?
Well, that's dead bamboo. Dead bamboo.
They shot it with a gun.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
How are people here?
It's empty. Oh my goodness.
Hurry up. Ready? Is everybody in there? Hey! Oh, no, it didn't work. No, don't worry about it. I got it on this one.
We gotta go. Go, 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 go. Oh, Mama's saying bye, kids. Run.
No running.
Oh, no running. No running. No running. We got yelled at. No running, Christy. Gotta get yelled at. Change of plans. We got in early for breakfast, but I think we're gonna be late for breakfast and go to Avatar. Come on, Bubba. All part of Christy's master plan. She's running over people over here. They've got a line of guards. Look at all these people behind us. 10 minutes later. It's a lot of people.
So, what I'm going to ask everyone right now is to follow our wonderful PCI and...
Okay.
Look, Lacey, pop out.
Hop out and see if you're tall enough. Yeah, she is.
Eating.
We're gonna eat later. Here, come on.
I thought we were eating.
We're gonna eat later. Hold my hand.
It's already 3 hours. Okay.
It's already a 3-hour wait. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we just did that. It is not like Christy to take huge risks like that, but I think it's gonna pay off. Oh! Yeah, you'll go again with Mommy. We can put that stuff in my bag. Whoa. Wow, this is cool. I don't know.
Do we have to hold on?
I don't know. I've never been on this. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Me either. I have no idea.
Great, you've all made it. It's important that you can all see me, so move a little if you can't.
Scoot all the way forward. Just hold on to this front.
Just got off. Oh my god. It was incredible. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going? Are we going down? Down? I guess? I don't know.
Daddy.
Come on. Incredible.
Daddy.
Best ride I've ever ridden in my life.
Go with Mommy.
You're gonna go with Mommy. You get to go again, Lou. I know you probably couldn't see much. I didn't realize my camera was gonna get hidden for a lot of it, but woo!
It's amazing. I didn't see much of this.
Are you gonna do it again now?
Yes.
Now that you've done it, you'll watch this time? He was scared.
It was so fun. I like my costume.
Alright, don't close your eyes this time. Promise? You're not gonna fall out. You never left the room. Did you know that?
Feels like it.
But you stayed in that room the whole time. Now, the room was moving up and down, but incredible. Just, alright, I'll shut up now. That's Mama's ticket right there.
Let me have it.
No.
Mommy, it was so fun. It was so fun.
Well, that was amazing. Best ride ever. I'm gonna let Christy go. I told her I don't care if it takes an hour waiting in the Fast Pass line. She has to ride that ride. Incredible. Christy and them are in Flight of Avatar, Flight of Passage right now. So while we wait, a quick montage to show you what this place looks like. Go! So good. Did you keep your eyes open this time?
Not the whole time.
Oh, come on, Bubba. Now we need to go eat breakfast. Let's go to Toaster House. Whoa. Oh my goodness. And look who walks in. What's up, Mickey?
They're coming to say hi to you.
Yeah? Look at me. Rosie's really scared. She's hiding from Goofy. It's okay, Rose. It's okay. Vlogging. Hey, vlogging Goofy. What's up, Goofy? He's my favorite. You're my favorite, Goofy. Yeah, you're my favorite. Kilimanjaro Safari. Whoa. That's sexy. Hold on. My hair is.
8 minutes at a time. And actually, if you look at the left side, there are more hippos out there in the water. That's how you'll typically find them on a regular day. And it's usually at night when you'll find
He's so big.
a giraffe a day eating, but they only sleep on average about 30 minutes a day. And it's usually only in... We saw sleeping before in the forest were black rhinos. Now, one difference between white rhinos and black rhinos is their size.
Fast pass to Everest. That's the ride we're going on. Oh, here we go. Everest is sick. Do y'all remember when we went to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we randomly saw our friend John?
Hey everybody, I don't know you people.
Totally here. So he's about to make the vlog once again. We just have to go find him. He's like a gazelle. We're about to do like the Navi River tour thing. Whoa. Pretty neat. Jump, jump. Hey, take your glasses off so you can see better. We come back and look who it is! Hey!
You know we're in our Chattanooga vlog.
You're in our Chattanooga vlog.
I'm so famous now.
This is familiar.
We've done this before. Awesome.
So you can see the castle from our bedroom.
How amazing.
And the fireworks every night.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What a life. So are you going to work here? No.
The hair.
This dude's about to get a job somewhere really close by. We can't say what it is yet though. But it's like really close. It's like around here somewhere. So we're super excited for him. Dance, Finn. Let's see it. Yeah. You had a good nap, huh, Rose? Nap. I know it. It was an okay nap? Okay. It's getting kind of dark.
Are we in a tree?
Well, these are the roots.
Are these real roots?
No. Look.
Why do you say that? He said he doesn't want to.
When Lucy was younger, she absolutely freaked out at this show and refused to do it for so long. Are you gonna be brave this time?
No.
Okay. Whoa.
And welcome. Welcome to our show. At this time, gather up your personal...
Lucy, what do you think?
Horrible.
Are you number 10?
Yeah.
That way.
Number 10. You wanna steer? We'll let her steer. Whoa! Woo! Rosie doing! Whee! Rose! Oh, we're going up! Whoa! What is like that. Whoa. What are you supposed to do?
Stay with Finn.
Stay with Finn. Finn, you stay with them, okay? You stay with them. All right, y'all go play. If you like this video, be sure to smash the like, smash the, am I saying that right? Like it and subscribe. I don't know what the terms are these days. There's a big tree up there. Check out the big tree while I give you time to go and like and subscribe, comment, and follow us for more videos. Peace.